You are not an adult until you live on your own, so you need to follow your mother's rules. If there are issues with your mother where she kicks you out or where you have to leave for some reason, you need to contact probation.
Welcome to the bench of justice.
The court is calling 2022 CR 6806, 2022 CR 6805, and 2022 CR 1741, State of Texas versus Julian Martinez. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Daniel Escobar for the state of Texas.
For the defense?
Luis Martinez on behalf of Julian Martinez.
Oh, it's Julian. We're not, sometimes it's Julian, sometimes it's Julian. All right. Is it Julian Martinez or Julian?
Both. My mom calls me both.
Okay, all right. Okay, so we actually had a hearing on this case, and I wanted it recalled back for the 9th because I wanted to consider certain things, mainly the defendant's mental health issues, which are now very well documented. And my understanding were not documented before, and that's schizophrenia. Is that correct, Mr. Martinez?
Yes, Judge, that's correct.
Oh, I need to make sure which Martinez I'm addressing, since you both are Martinezes. Probation. You know the questions are about to come. Where is a placement for him? DDRF? It would be nice if we could just switch him to the person who was removed from DDRF.
That would be nice.
Is there anyone we can call? Is there someone I need to call? All right, just give me one moment. From the state
No, Judge.
or the defense?
No, Judge, we argued last Tuesday, and I'll stand on those arguments.
There was this one time where.
All right. All right. So we're going to start with cause number 2022 CR 6806. The court is going to sentence you to 4 years deferred adjudication. This run concurrent with 2022 CR 1741, 2022 CR 6806, County Court Cause number 663863, 663862. Take in consideration 2022 CR 1742 and County Court Cause number 669906, 676667. You're going to remain in custody. And you're going to be transferred to SAFPF Special Needs. And then you'll be transferred to DDRF. When you are released from custody, do you have a place to stay?
Yes, ma'am.
Who will you be staying with?
My mother.
All right, and does your mom wish for you to stay with her?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. What's your mom's name?
Mary Lou Martinez.
All right, he is to reside with Mary Lou Martinez upon release. There's to be regular reporting by Zoom or in person. You are to follow all medical and mental health recommendations. If there are some issues with your medications that it's causing side effects, be sure to let your doctor know. but I just want to make sure that you stay in contact with your medical personnel and your mental health personnel. I'm going to want field visits 3 times per month until further notice. And you're going to sign a medical release. And probation, I'll put other conditions on the other cases. I'm going to show you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it and did you sign it? Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you. We're next going to proceed in cause number 2022 CR 6805. Going to place you on 4 years deferred adjudication. This is one concurrent with 2022 CR 6806, 2022 CR 1741, County Court Cause number 663863, 663862. Going to order SAFPF Special Needs, followed by DDRF. You to reside with your mother, Ms. Martinez. Regular reporting by Zoom or in person. Regular UAs and probation upon release from SAFPF and DDRF. I'm going to want him in outpatient treatment. I just don't want him to be out and then he's done.
Supportive or intensive?
Supportive,
And is that gonna be on the other cause number as well?
yes. Again, you're gonna have to sign a medical release and follow all mental health treatment. You understand? And I'm gonna want field visits 3 times per month. And I'm gonna want proof of employment or SSI within 40 days of release. There's to be no employment as a home health care provider with minors and no unsupervised contact with minors. Probation, is there anything else he needs?
You said regular UAs, right?
Yes.
That's all.
Okay. Showing you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Right, because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand? Next, we're going to proceed in 2022 CR 1741. I'm going to sentence you to 5 years deferred adjudication. This is where I'm concurrent with 2022 CR 6806, 2022 CR 6805, County Court Cause number 663863 and 663862. Referral to SAFPF Special Needs. That's to be followed by DDRF. You're going to remain in custody until you're transferred. You're going to follow any mental health recommendations. You're to reside with your mother, Miss Martinez. Regular reporting by Zoom or in person. Regular UAs. Proof of employment. Within, did I say 40 days release?
Yes, Your Honor.
Within 40 days of release from custody. Or SSI. And there should be no employment as a home health care provider with minors. No unsupervised contact with minors. Field visits 3 times per month. Supportive outpatient treatment upon release. And there's to be no driving of any vehicles until further notice. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. And of course, you're to follow any mental health recommendations. Probation, is there anything else that he needs?
No, Your Honor, I just want to make sure I heard you correctly as far as 1741 is concerned. It's 5 years deferred
Yes,
and then no driving of any vehicles upon release until further notice. Is that going to be implemented on each cause number or just that one?
each cause number.
No, Your Honor, that's all.
All right. I'm going to show you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand? All right, Mr. Martinez, I've given you your conditions. Is there anything else you need in order to be successful on probation? All right, we can go off the record. Mr. Martinez, here's the thing, and I think your attorney will tell you this. I understand that you had an undiagnosed schizophrenia, and I understand that. And I'm giving you a chance. You're going to have to make sure that you stay on your medications, because now you know what the issue is. When you go to live with your mother, realize this: you are not an adult until you live on your own, so you need to follow your mother's rules. If there are issues with your mother where she kicks you out or where you have to leave for some reason, you need to contact probation and let them know. Do you understand? All right. Good luck to you. Probation is going to go over conditions.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you. All right, Mr. Martinez, thank you.
Judge, thank you. Judge,
Julian Martinez faced sentencing for 3 felony cases in Texas: 2022 CR 6806, 2022 CR 6805, and 2022 CR 1741. The court focused on his recently documented diagnosis of schizophrenia, which had not been part of the record during previous hearings. To address his mental health needs, the judge granted deferred adjudication for a period of 4 to 5 years across the various charges, allowing Martinez to avoid a formal conviction if he successfully completes the terms of his probation. The sentence requires Martinez to remain in custody until he is transferred to a Special Needs Substance Abuse Felony Punishment Facility, SAFPF, followed by a stay at a Dual Diagnosis Residential Facility, DDRF. Upon his eventual release, he is ordered to live with his mother and must strictly adhere to all medical and mental health treatment plans, including staying consistent with his medications. Additional court-ordered conditions include 3 probation field visits per month, a total ban on driving until further notice, and a prohibition against working as a home health care provider for minors or having unsupervised contact with children. He is also required to provide proof of employment or Social Security income, SSI, within 40 days of his release. Because this was a plea bargain agreement, Martinez waived his right to appeal, and the court emphasized that his success depends entirely on his compliance with these medical and behavioral requirements.